Adorable offers a captivating and evolving scent profile, starting with a sweet and refreshing blend of vanilla, almond, and lime that sets a playful yet elegant tone. The heart reveals a delicate and feminine bouquet of peony pear and candied apple, adding complexity and a youthful charm. The fragrance settles into a warm and sophisticated base of sandalwood, amber, and tonka bean, providing depth, richness, and longevity, making Adorable a comforting and enduring scent. Performance elements of Adorable. Longevity. Adorable is known for its excellent longevity. The combination of rich base notes like sandalwood, amber, and tonka bean ensures that the fragrance lasts throughout the day, with the scent evolving beautifully from the initial application to the dry down. Adorable stays on the fabric for 10 to 12 hours, sometimes even longer, depending on environmental conditions. Sillage. The fragrance offers a moderate to strong sillage, creating a noticeable trail without being overpowering. The sweet and fruity middle notes combined with the creamy and woody base provide a balanced projection that makes an impression while remaining elegant and refined. Season. Adorable is versatile and suitable for all seasons. The fresh and zesty lime in the top notes makes it appropriate for spring and summer, while the warm and comforting base notes of sandalwood and amber make it equally fitting for autumn and winter. Occasion. This fragrance is perfect for both casual and formal occasion. Its playful yet elegant profile makes it suitable for daytime wear, while its warm and sophisticated base allows it to transition seamlessly to evening events. Type. Adorable is a gourmand floral fragrance. The sweet and creamy opening notes combined with the delicate floral heart and warm woody base create a well-rounded scent that is both indulgent and sophisticated. Style. The fragrance embodies a style that is youthful, elegant, and slightly playful. Its blend of sweet, fruity, and floral elements balanced with a warm and rich base makes it a versatile choice for those who appreciate a complex and charming scent profile. Mood. Adorable evokes a mood of confidence and warmth. The sweet and comforting notes are inviting and soothing, while the sophisticated and complex composition adds a touch of elegance and refinement. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.